this is just a quick video. I installed the glowing apple logo on my mom's phone. This phone is the iPhone 6s Rose Gold. If you want to do this mod, it works on the iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6s, 6s Plus, 7, and 7 Plus. It does not work on the 8 and higher just because this is a glass. They're glass backs. These are metal backs, and you can also remove the you can remove those metal plates and put in the glowing apple logo. But yeah, it looks pretty awesome. It changes colors. You can change the mode by tapping it. It's kind of like a touchscreen effect, but it looks pretty cool. My mom has this clear case on her Rose Gold 6s, 32 gigabytes. This is her main phone. She's not a tech person like me, so she just sticks with the basics. She doesn't do anything like that, but yeah, I thought it would be pretty cool to put on the channel. I installed this on my mom's phone. I also double checked that her battery wasn't bad, because if you have a bad battery, I do recommend getting a new battery and getting this glowing apple logo. This doesn't drain your battery, but if you have a bad battery, this probably would do that. So yeah, I do recommend, if you are going to do this, get an extra battery and get the glowing apple logo. And this thing's only $10, so it's not really expensive at all, and it's not really hard to do the repair. So it is kind of hard when you're attaching it, but I'll explain that in another video. But yeah, I just installed this on my mom's phone, and yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy, and peace out.